Masquera Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kanakari Kiptanka Kuyapan channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasimure Zimbabwe, Takwigirai Buditwa na zine Zimbabwe businessman kuda kwashe Tagwirei we abuda achitaura pamusoro pedi weiru spendwa nayo mari NaWicknell Chivhayo ndofunga kuti trenda ma streets social media ma donations ari kuita ari kukatofunga katengera ma musicians ma mota dzakati one day zvakara katengera vane kuchechi kwake maakwa mure Zimbabwe vakawanda vakabuda achiti haasi kugona kushandisa mari vakabuda achiti nemashandisiro anoitwa mari dzekuba mure Zimbabwe now kuda kwashe Tagwirei abuda achikomenta on this issue on how Wicknell is spending mare Zimbabwe. So pane audio yatakuvigirai yatira kuti munzwe kuda kwashe Tagwirei achitaura pamusoro penyaya iyi. Tisingade kuwesta nguva yenyu, tira kuti mungonzwa audio iyi mobva mati zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.
I'm impressed to talk about a young man who does not belong to our church, who has gone spending his money the way he wants. We don't know how he made his money, but we think we do know that he made his money in a wrong way. Even if we don't know how he made it, we have already concluded. And in our jealousy, we are now beginning to think that he did something wrong. And then he went and gave an offering to his church, Joanne Masowe. And we were all in aghast. How can he spend this money, giving all these people these cars or this offering? That is the speech of one who does not have. He gave an offering to his church. Those who are listening to my voice have $10, have not given a cent to the Lord. You worry about someone who is spending his money with his God, not worrying about the little that you have in your pocket. And then you want to teach him how to give. What have you given? That gives you the right to speak about his giving. We are confused. So we go to this Twitter or this Facebook and we start attacking him for what we do not have. If God was to have mercy, no, not to have mercy. If he was to show unkindness to you and give you, what were you going to give to the church? Are you listening to me? We are worried about how he is spending it. Not worried about how we are spending the little that we have. Why don't we concentrate on the little that we have? Right now, those who are listening to my voice have come from all over to be able to hear, but not to spend for Christ. We are always listening, waiting to be given. And others are being given. You are jealous that it is not you who is given. I have had situations where people have criticized me, but when they've come with their problems, I solve it, then they start singing praises. You wonder, was that criticism because of lack or because I did something wrong? Because you must be able to criticize me even after I've given you. leave Wicknell alone. Leave him alone.
Dofunga mangozi nzwira mega muri Zimbabwe Zvataurwa na kuda kwashe Tagwirei pamusoro paWicknell Chivhayo. Ataura iye achiti siyanai naWicknell Chivhayo. And we leave Wicknell Chivhayo alone. And at least ari kupa Mwari chinzi people are making these comments out of jealousy muri Zimbabwe. Tisingaziye kuti munoona kusei nyaya iyi. Dofunga last week NewsWorks yakabuda story iyo ichiti they have exposed the source of wealth ya Wicknell Chivhayo. Wakabuda pa X handle yao wachara achiti as flamboyant Zimbabwean tycoon Wicknell Chivhayo splurges money on an imposing mansion and donates cars to selected individuals weeks on end, while also making cash donations. Questions abound as to where the money is coming from. And the NewsWorks has decided to follow money around Chivhayo and see where it leads to. Follow the money, the bank, and the proxy, then get the answer. Chivhayo is making money out of the state-owned power utility ZESA and Zimbabwe Electoral Commission. His deals with the electoral body are not in the public domain. The NewsWorks is digging deeper into the contracts and will get to the bottom of it. But first, the background. Media reports say Chivhayo have spent a fortune on luxury cars donated to high-profile individuals. In total, he has bought more than 50 cars, spending over 5 million in donations. In January, he gave 50 members of the congregation Toyota Aquas worth 400,000. Some of the cars he has bought include a Toyota Hilux, Toyota Hilux D4D, Toyota Fortuner, S500 Mercedes-Benz, Mercedes-Benz GLE, Mercedes-Benz GLE 400D, and Mercedes-Benz GLE 350D Formatic, among others. For prominent people, for himself, Chivhayo has a fleet of supercars. Last year, he showed off a fleet of 6 all-white imported luxury vehicles worth a staggering 3.5 million, parked at his mansion in Harare. Chivhayo has built an imposing mansion in the capital. The Hollywood Beverly Hills style imposed residential property in Gletwin suburb, Shawasha Hills, Harare, furnished by South Africa's iconic interior design brand Norman Barker's signature collection, closely resembles former police commissioner General Augustine Chiwuri estate in the same area. But the controversial tycoon says it is not the same villa. Chivhayo told the NewsWorks through messages, "No, it's a completely different house. I built it from scratch." Chivhayo, who is a convicted criminal and controversial businessman entangled in corrupt state tender projects, has of late been donating cars and money to individuals and organizations like confetti at a wedding. Zimbabweans are asking where his money comes from, given his history of corrupt activities and proximity to Mnangagwa. The NewsWorks is currently investigating the story. When someone makes money using proximity to power, public offices, and from state tenders not awarded transparently, and indeed when his deals have implications for public finances and accountability, a burden to taxpayers, he cannot be left alone, as Chivhayo, fellow tycoon Kuitwa NaTagwirei, has demanded on him. This shouldn't be hard to understand. Zvakabuda Zvataurwa NeNewsWorks, Zvataurwa yachiti Wicknell ari kuwana mari from ZEC pamwechete neZESA. Singazoti munoona sei nyaya iyi, tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.